In this video, let us understand detail about succession certificate and family heir certificate. You can tell, ma'am, both are same. What is the difference between these two? Maybe only the terminology? No. They differ in terminology as well as their purpose and scope. The entire explanation is different regarding succession certificate and family heir certificate. This video not only helps the judiciary aspirants but also it is a must video where every layman should understand for some purposes in their life in the society that they have to know few basic legal aspect things for which they have to apply the certificates for. So let us cover what is exactly the succession certificate and what is a family heir certificate. So before we get into this video, let us understand the basic thing. There is no other name for succession certificate, but whereas family heir certificate is also termed as legal heir certificate. So this legal heir certificate, by the terminology itself, it indicates something related to the heirs of the deceased, right? So you can understand that from the basic nomenclature or the terminology which is given here. So let us go more detail into this video and understand what is the purpose and who will issue this and what is the scope of these certificates and what is the process. So succession certificates versus legal heir certificates. So the main purpose of succession certificates is to claim assets. So this is to claim the asset, whereas legal heir certificate is to establish a relationship. That means they have to prove that they are related somehow to the deceased person. So they have to prove their relationship through the form of legal heir certificate. But whereas succession certificate involves so that you can claim for certain assets. For that, you need to apply the succession certificate. So now the purpose is clear, right? Now, who will issue this? So, who will issue these certificates? So before going into who will issue these certificates, let us understand the process. You need to apply for succession certificate in the civil courts. So this is entirely the process in the court. So the succession certificate you can avail only through courts. But whereas legal heir certificates you can avail through different authorities. Now let us understand who are the issuing authorities and who will issue under civil code. So succession certificate is issued by district judge and legal heir certificate is issued either by tahsildar or district collector or some municipalities or even sachivalayams. So these are the issuing authorities who will issue certain certificates. And the scope, to understand in a broader sense regarding the scope, which I'll later again explain you in detail. This covers assets like bank accounts, shares, debts, life insurance. So to avail all these claims, you need to provide the authorities, you need to provide the other person with the succession certificate. And for what you require legal heir certificate? As I said earlier, this is to establish a relationship between the person who is expired, who is deceased. So, here this involves to avail a government schemes and also for property mutation. Now, regarding are there any provisions in law which you should understand? Yes. Succession certificates are also explained under Indian Succession Act 1925, which is also one of the subject for the JCJ examinations in Telangana state. So according to this subject, chapter 10 or part 10 speaks about succession certificates and everything related to succession certificate. So this succession certificate, what is the process, who will issue it, and what is the extension, is there any timeline for this? So entire thing is explained in part 10 from sections 370 to 390. And regarding legal hair certificate, you can ask, ma'am, regarding legal hair certificate also, is there any law or provision? So there is no particular law which explains the core concept of this particular certificate, but as this is based on a relationship, the heirs related to the deceased, it involves Hindu Succession Act, where the property is being devolved to the persons or is being inherited to the heirs. So you can take Hindu Succession Act as a equal provision for this regarding legal heir certificate, as it states about the persons who died intestate, they have to apply for a legal heir certificate. It is not mentioned directly in the act, but this act applies for that, because you need to establish a relationship to prove for the government that you are related somehow to the deceased person. Okay, so I hope this is clear regarding what is a succession certificate and what is a legal heir certificate. Now let us understand further in some more detail, which I would like to make it more clear for everyone. So let us go with few basic examples. So succession certificate and legal heir certificate. So you need to proceed with the form of application in the court here, and here you need to apply through some application in the respective authorities like Tahsildar or to the district collector or to the municipalities. There is some application form. So both have some separate application forms which you need to be giving them and present it before the respective authorities. So regarding succession certificate, let me be clear. Let us take a simple example. Suppose there is a person A and he has passed away. What he had is, in his bank account, he has the fixed deposit for 30 lakhs. Okay. And what he did is, he did not file or he did not nominate any nominee. So there is a clause that you have to nominate someone, right? That after you, if you pass away under any uncertain circumstances, who will avail that amount? The next person. So he did not nominate any person. Now what happens? The bank will ask for succession certificate. So here is the place where you come across succession certificate. Until this succession certificate is provided either by wife or the children, no one cannot get this 30 lakh fixed deposit, because no one is being nominated by A at the time of fixed deposit. So this is where succession certificate come into existence. Now, legal heir certificates. So for legal heir certificates, let us take one example. So as I said, this will cover some government schemes or anything. So now let us take one of the example where A is a retired government employee and he is deceased. So he passed away and A's wife is B. Now B requires pension. But to get this pension, the government authorities want to know that B is in relationship with A as a spouse. So here B has to prove that she is the wife of A. So the relationship is being proved here, for which she will require to have legal heir certificate from the authorities and has to submit it to get the pension. So this is how both succession certificate and legal heir certificate differentiate. There is one more example for succession certificate, such as life insurance, where there you have to provide regarding nominees should be there for your insurance also. And for legal heir certificate, such as property mutation, such as if A has an ancestral agricultural property and A passes away, and B, his son wanted to know regarding all the property things, regarding the patta or the khata and the land records. To get his land records, the mutated property on their names, he require the legal heir certificate. So these are the examples. I hope this video is helpful, and from now it is very clear for everyone, those who have completed till the end of this video, what is the difference between succession certificate and family heir certificate. Thank you.